Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated foldable smartphones, the Oppo Find N5. This device promises a whole new level of innovation, style, and performance. But, is it really the future of foldables? Let's find out. So, Oppo is known for creating some really impressive smartphones, and with the Find N series, they've been pushing the boundaries of foldable tech. The Oppo Find N5 is their latest iteration, and it's packed with upgrades. But is it the perfect foldable for 2025? Well, let's break it down, starting with the design. At first glance, the Oppo Find N5 really stands out in terms of design. It features a 7.1-inch foldable OLED display, which unfolds into a tablet-like experience. This display is vibrant, crisp, and offers an immersive viewing experience whether you're watching videos, playing games, or multitasking. And the best part? The foldable mechanism is smooth, with less visible crease than many of its competitors. The hinge mechanism feels solid too. Oppo has focused on creating a sturdy yet smooth hinge system that's built to last, reducing wear and tear on the display. And if you're worried about durability, the Oppo Find N5 is rated with IPX8 water resistance, meaning it can handle splashes in rain, although I wouldn't recommend taking it for a swim. The primary display is a dynamic AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through social media or watching a 4K video, everything looks fluid and responsive. The display is also extremely vibrant, with rich colors and deep blacks. Plus, the secondary screen, the smaller one on the outside, is still large enough to use for quick tasks like checking messages or notifications. So, in terms of displays, Oppo really nails it. You get a large, immersive screen when you need it, and a handy, compact screen when it's folded. Under the hood, the Oppo Find N5 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, one of the fastest processors available in 2025. This translates to smooth performance, even when running demanding apps or gaming. I've used this phone for everything from gaming to productivity, and the 8GB/12GB RAM options ensure that there's no lag or stutter. Apps open quickly, and multitasking on the foldable screen is seamless. If you're someone who loves split-screen apps or using multiple apps at once, the Oppo Find N5 is a dream come true. Whether you're working or playing, the 5000 mAh battery provides solid all-day performance. And when you need a boost, it supports 65W fast charging, so you can get back up to full charge in no time. Now let's talk about the camera system. The Oppo Find N5 is equipped with a 50MP primary sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 13MP telephoto. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, close-up portraits, or a little bit of everything, the camera does not disappoint. Daytime photos are sharp with vibrant colors, and the ultra-wide lens really helps capture more of the scene. When it comes to low light, the night mode kicks in, providing clear, bright photos without a lot of noise. And yes, you can zoom in up to 10x with impressive results, thanks to the telephoto lens. For video, it supports 4K recording at 60 FPS with great stabilization. You can easily shoot smooth, high-quality videos whether you're walking or filming in motion. Running the show is ColorOS 14, Oppo's custom skin based on Android 14. It's clean, feature-rich, and highly customizable. The foldable experience is smooth, with unique features like Flex mode, which allows you to use the phone in a split-screen layout, or easily control apps with gestures when the phone is in tablet mode. One of my favorite features is SuperVOOC charging, which gets you from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. That's seriously impressive. And if you're a fan of multi-device syncing, ColorOS offers seamless integration with other Oppo devices, so you can easily switch between your phone, tablet, or even Oppo's smartwatches. So, after using the Oppo Find N5, it's clear that this is a top-tier foldable phone. The design is sleek, the display is stunning, and the performance is flawless. It's got all the right features for both productivity and entertainment, and the camera system is one of the best in its class. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking for a versatile foldable device, the Oppo Find N5 has a lot to offer. Do I think it's the future of foldables? Honestly, it's a huge step forward. Oppo has really nailed the foldable experience with this one. But what do you think? Would you consider making the switch to the Oppo Find N5? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, subscribe for more awesome tech content, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.